The UK has set a goal of reaching net zero by 2050. This means we will be removing more or the same amount of greenhouse gases from the atmosphere than we create. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar are reliant on weather conditions to produce electricity. Nuclear, on the other hand, can keep running and producing energy come rain or shine. We need nuclear as a reliable and consistent part of the energy mix. Currently, nuclear power makes up around 15% of the UK energy mix. But on average, 40% of the total is still made up by fossil fuels. It's anticipated that the UK's renewable capacity will increase dramatically over the next decade due to plans that are already in action to increase offshore wind's output from 11 gigawatts to 50 gigawatts by 2030. Meanwhile, solar capacity could grow 5 times from 14 gigawatts to roughly 70 gigawatts in the same period. Currently, there are 9 nuclear power reactors operating across 4 sites in the UK. However, almost half of the UK's current nuclear capacity is due to be decommissioned by 2030, and only 1 new plant is currently under construction. If no other new nuclear power stations are built, the UK's nuclear capacity in 2050 will be a third of what it is today. Any future nuclear power station depends on a huge team of dedicated and skilled people. There's a need for more scientists and engineers in the UK, along with the promotion of subjects like science and engineering in our schools to nurture homegrown talent. By embracing nuclear power and integrating it with other renewable energy sources, we can create a diversified and resilient energy network.